Let's learn about grouping records. In MPulse, the majority of record areas have a group drop-down field. These fields are specific to the record area they are in and provide opportunity to relate records to a common value. Once the group values are set up, there are several ways to use them. One is with reporting. When creating a list view report, for instance, you can use the group column filter to show the total cost of maintenance for your compressors. In another example, you can use groups with a list view layout when adding inventory to a work order. This will greatly reduce the amount of inventory records shown. Another example of using groups could include grouping task records like plumbing, electrical, or even safety and security tasks. Ultimately, these are your fields, and with your understanding of how they work, they can be beneficial to your implementation. For questions about this or any other topic, please feel free to email us at support@mpulsesoftware.com, or you can always give us a call at 1-800-944-1796.